What's up mga ka-trends? Here's another update of the NY couple.
Naging
Yesterday, Pamela
chocolate.
and sweetie Princess celebrated this month at LV Dream. On Instagram post, Kathy posted on Instagram a short video clip of Urasaya that shows he was so happy and excited to go inside to taste the LV chocolates. Mommy Maple also shared on Instagram the beautiful room prepared from LV. Mommy Maple says with the caption, "So good to be back. Thank you, LV." And yesterday, my daughter did my makeup, and what you see is eyeliner at the end of the eye. Hashtag love Paris. Versus Beer Band is ready today to have some big event from Louis Vuitton. This year, we will see the 2023 version of Urasaya for LV. And the fans is waiting and excited. Yesterday, on a Dex activity, Nadek Gimia was spotted buying some snacks on the street. Nadek looks so cute with his favorite vehicle, and Nadek got also taping for the new videos for 7 Up.